I'll break every fashion rule unapologetically. Please, if I want to do it, nobody can stop me from doing it. Beat that. Do not get me into trouble ever.
Hi guys, welcome to Z Media, India.com. My name is Simran Keswani and today joining me is a very famous designer Bhavna Rao and the very beautiful Nusrat Bharucha. So thank you so much for joining us today. First of all, many congratulations for the opening of your flagship store. Tell me, how's the feeling like?
Thank you, Simran. I am feeling very elated, very happy. I think a lot of hard work and many sleepless nights have finally come to this, and Nusrat is here celebrating with us.
Right.
This night couldn't have been more special.
Nusrat, you tell me, how's the feeling like for you?
Oh, I love it. I love coming to some person's dream that has come finally to reality. And all her supporters, everybody who's worked with her, loves her, is in this one big room.
Right.
So it's a great vibe to be between people who are so supportive and are so loving. And anytime like an outfit, a designer store, like the minute I walked in, all I wanted to see is the clothes. I said, where are the clothes? I want to see them. So I'm very happy that you have a store here, and I wish you all the best and hope you grow into many more stores.
Thank you so much, Nusrat.
So Bhavna, can you tell us what has been the inspiration behind your collection and the store?
I would say a common inspiration behind my each collection has been the woman.
Right.
Okay, so I mean, also literally, women have a lot of attributes to
Right.
them. You know, they are empowered, they are emotional, they are romantic. So my each collection represents one of the emotions. I like to work on each emotion for each season.
Right.
So this collection that I worked on has been all about romance.
Yeah.
And let's see what I'm gonna come up with next.
Right.
Store, I got inspired from the Baroque architecture, and if you see there are columns and arches here,
Right.
where I picked up the inspiration from French architecture. So it's a mix of a lot of traditional European architecture put together.
I like the color.
Yeah.
I like the color scheme. I like this sand beige and the black.
Subtleness.
They're very pretty.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So Nusrat, tell us, how do you resonate with Bhavna's design?
I think the fact that it fits really well and
Yeah.
it kind of understands what a girl wants to look like.
Yeah.
Like I love this fitted corset. I love this neckline. I love how the whole gown just accentuates
yeah.
the body. I was waiting for you to say it because you see that's what it is. We
Yeah.
know it.
Right.
And you still feel really pretty and beautiful. And I love this color, which I was telling you.
Sea green.
Yeah. I kept thinking it's a light silver blue, but it's sea green, guys. I've learned something today. But it's very nicely embellished, but it's still not very heavy on the eye. You still look at it and you feel like, oh, I can wear this. It's very pretty. It's
Right,
not,
right.
It's just very pleasing to the eye.
So if you had to describe her outfit in 3 words, what would that be?
Elegant, sexy, and pretty.
Beautiful.
It's pretty. It's really pretty.
Thank you.
So Bhavna, you know, sustainability is very persistent these days. So how do you ensure that your designs, you know, marry sustainability with fashion?
So, you know, the concept of sustainability is something that stays for the longest time. My each gown it weaves around being timeless.
Right.
You know, I design something that is timeless. I would cherish something that I buy for a certain occasion, and it stays with me for as much as it can. So I believe in sustainability to be around design in such a way where we can keep the design timeless. It's not fast fashion. You don't change the trend every 6 months.
Right.
You design something that's eternal, something that's classical.
Right.
That's my understanding of being sustainable.
That's beautiful. So very quickly, a rapid fire for both of you.
I'm worst.
No, I'm sure you guys will ace it. So what is that one trend that you think should be done and busted?
For me, it's this tight, skinny jeans. I can't do that. I think it's the worst.
I would say these ultra low waist denims.
Oh yeah, even I would never do that. Shit, yeah, maybe 2 now. I have 2 answers.
Okay, one staple piece that everyone should have in their wardrobe.
Staple piece, like a white shirt dress. I love them.
I would also go for a white shirt dress, and I think nothing can beat that.
Yeah, classic. One fashion rule you would break unapologetically.
I'll break every fashion rule unapologetically. Please, if I want to do it, nobody can stop me from doing it. Beat that.
I think if you are in the world of creativity and doing fashion, you have to break the rules.
Right.
Else you can't come up with something new.
Very well said. Okay, one Bollywood celebrity who really needs to work on their fashion game.
I don't think I can give you that answer. Do not get me into trouble ever.
I'll follow Nusrat. I'll follow
Not
Nusrat.
for taking the lead.
Okay, last, the most important part of your outfit that you cannot go wrong with.
The fit. I cannot go wrong with the fit of an outfit.
Every outfit gets defined by two things. One is the fit, another is the color. So if they are put in place, you're sorted.
Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you.